Picture this: a man, at his fastest, versus a bird in full flight. Who do you think would win? In a short sprint, the fastest man on Earth, Usain Bolt, reached a peak speed of 27.8 miles per hour. Unbelievable, right? Now consider the common pigeon. This seemingly ordinary bird can reach speeds of up to 59 miles per hour in flight. So, in this unexpected race, our feathered friend leaves even the fastest man in the dust. Nature truly is full of surprises. Stay curious, keep questioning, and remember, there's always more to learn. Join us again for more